Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Indus Business School. Today we have with us Dr. Geeta Bora, founder of Spherule Foundation. Welcome to the Institute, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, first of all, I would like to know about your NGO.
Okay, so Spherule Foundation we started in 2017 and with a goal that we will work in all 17 sustainable goals that is actually decided by UN. And we are working in all 17 sustainable goals. However, our focus area is towards education, women empowerment, and more towards micro entrepreneurship and health. So these are the areas. We are working pan-India. Currently we are in 15 states, and we are mostly working with those issues and those people who are getting neglected by maybe you can say government, by other NGOs, and there are other areas also. So those are the people with whom we are working and for whom we are working.
Okay. Ma'am, what you would like to suggest that how we can motivate and encourage today's youth to work for NGOs?
Yes, so this is actually a question for me as well most of the time. So I keep visiting to multiple institutes, and the reason is of doing it so that we can inspire them. And we have tie-up with a lot of IITs. In Pune, if you see, we have tie-up with symbiosis, and even your college IIEBM students have come to our NGO for internship purpose. So most of the good institutes already have started this internship thing. However, what we want is it just don't stay till internship. It should be, because most of the time students come to me and say, ma'am, can you sign a paper where so that we can get admission abroad, maybe in Stanford and all, because they have made it mandatory that you have to work for an NGO. And they have also shortlisted only 150 NGOs in India, where from their certificate only they can get admissions. So this is something where we have to think, like students should not just have a short-term goal. Certificate is one thing, definitely it will work, you will get it, but then this is an era where social enterprises are coming up. There are so many social investors who are investing. So NGOs are no more the NGOs before, and they are getting equal packages like a corporate, and mostly the satisfaction which you get from the work. Definitely you will work in a corporate, then people have to work, right, somewhere or other. But why we want to inspire these youths, the reason is so that we get a young energy and new ideas. So that's the reason we keep doing tie-up with the universities and institutes, and somewhere we are succeeded in that as well. And there are, if you see our workforce in all 15 states, they are coming from good institutes, and we are able to solve many issues otherwise if we would have not solved.
Apart from academics, what you suggest that these students should learn in these 2 years which are important for them either to work in an NGO or into a corporate world?
I will talk more about NGO, corporate, and moreover, if you see nowadays, the difference between NGO and corporate is already reducing and has reduced to a much extent. The thing is, when students work in an NGO, they learn a lot of things. If they are really doing that internship, they are learning leadership, they are learning people management, and the actual issues on ground. If you are aware of all this, suppose you also want to start a startup, you should be aware of all these 3 things. Then only you will be a successful founder. So these are the qualities which are there, should be there. Some people it comes naturally. For some people it is something where you have to build on. So when you work in NGO, it is very easy. A small project if you do, you will learn all these 3 things. So that is something which is there.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks.